Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi. Today I'm sharing a quick and easy Matar Pulao recipe, ideal as a healthy meal for lunch or for dinner in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. Into my cast iron kadai, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of A2 desi ghee. If you're a vegan, the other options are wood pressed coconut oil, wood pressed groundnut oil, wood pressed sesame oil, or any wood pressed oil of your choice. Once the ghee is heated, I'm adding in some spices. So I have half of a mace, 1 star anise, 1 black cardamom, 3 to 4 cloves, a very small piece of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon whole black peppercorns, 4 to 5 green cardamoms, 1/3 teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds, a small piece of cinnamon, and 1 bay leaf. I'm adding in all the spices and allow the spices to get lightly roasted. Next, I'm adding in 1 chopped onion, 1/4 inch ginger finely chopped, 2 green chilies slit. Give it a stir and saute the onions until it starts to turn light golden brown in color. Once the onion starts to turn light golden brown in color, I'm adding in 1 cup of fresh green peas, pink Himalayan salt as needed. Give it a good stir. Add in 1/4 cup structured water. Structured water is nothing but water stored in a copper vessel. Cover and allow the fresh green peas to get cooked. 2 to 3 minutes later, open the lid. Lightly press the matar just to make sure it is nicely cooked. Into this I'm adding in 2 cups of cooked illupai chemba rice. Illupai chemba rice is a traditional variety of rice which is rich in vitamins and minerals. Instead of the rice I'm using, you can use any locally sourced hand pound rice of your choice. I'm adding the rice into the kadai. Add in 1/3 teaspoon garam masala and give it a good stir. Once the rice is nicely mixed, you can check salt. If you feel you need more salt, you can add in. Once thoroughly mixed, turn off the flame, squeeze in half a lemon. Immediately transfer this to a serving bowl. So guys, you try this healthy Matar Pulao and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.